I made $415,296 using the DeepSeek trading bot. And guess what? It already found insane plays like Vine, which went 319 times, and Trump, which went 275 times. After testing over 300 prompts, I've cracked the code to make it find 100 times plays. And in this video, I'll show you how you can start using it and potentially make $100,000 a month, passively. Let's dive in. Before we begin, remember, this is for educational purposes only. Now let's get started. DeepSeek is a game changer for AI-powered trading bots. It's faster, smarter, and understands trading bots better than any AI before. With this, you can create your own AI trading bot that could generate massive profits without needing to code. The best part? Setting it up takes just 20 to 30 minutes. AI trading bots have huge advantages over manual trading. No human error, just pure algorithmic precision, less time spent watching charts, higher profit potential with automated execution. Let's set up your AI bot step by step. First, install the Bollinger Bands indicator by Madrid on TradingView. This indicator is crucial for increasing accuracy. Next, open the indicator's source code and create a working copy. Name your workspace, save it, and you're ready for the next step. Now let's define our strategy. It's simple. If the chart is above the bands, open a long position. If the chart is below the bands, open a short position. Set risk management targets to protect profits. Now we need to convert the indicator's code to the required V5 format. Open the source code, click Manage Script, then Convert Code. Do this twice to ensure it's in the correct format. Here's the best part. DeepSeek writes the trading strategy for you in seconds. Just paste the indicator code into DeepSeek, specify your conditions, and let the AI handle the rest. Copy the logic from DeepSeek, paste it into the indicator code, and save it. If there are errors, don't worry. Just feed the code back into DeepSeek and ask it to fix them. Once your strategy is error-free, run tests using small capital amounts to verify its effectiveness. Always test before scaling up. If your strategy isn't profitable, tweak it using the steps we covered. The key is refining until you find a winning formula. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on X for more updates. Also, check the CoinSniper link below for exclusive insights. See you in the next one.